Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Daily English Practice through picture description. This is a colorful and lively picture of a park. Many children and adults are enjoying different activities. There is a boy riding a yellow bicycle on the path. He is wearing a red helmet and yellow t-shirt. Two boys are playing on the swings. One of them is pushing the other. A girl in a purple dress is standing near the swings. A woman is feeding birds near the bushes. There are two birds on the ground eating seeds. A small dog is standing beside the woman. Near the center, two kids are eating ice cream. One of them is holding balloons in her hand. A purple bird is flying near the kite. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. There are white clouds floating around. A boy and girl are playing on a seesaw. The girl is on the higher side of the seesaw. A boy is sitting on the lower side, smiling. Behind them, a boy is roller skating. He is wearing a blue helmet and knee pads. On the right side, a girl is sliding down a slide. She looks very happy. Two boys are waiting for their turn at the slide. One of them is wearing glasses. The other boy has curly red hair. There are many flowers in the park. The grass is green and well maintained. The trees have big green leaves. There are two large trees, one on each side. A small bush with colorful flowers is near the dog. Another bush is near the slide. The park has smooth gray paths for walking and cycling. A child is playing with a white dog near the kite flyer. There are 4 balloons in total. The balloons are pink, purple, and yellow. The boy with the ice cream is wearing a pink hoodie. The girl next to him is in a red dress. Woman feeding birds has a purple shirt and brown pants. The small brown dog looks excited. Everyone seems to be enjoying themselves. The weather looks warm and sunny. The slide is purple and has a ladder. The bushes have red, yellow, and purple flowers. The park has many open spaces. Some children are wearing sandals, and some are in sneakers. The children look friendly and active. The entire scene shows joy and fun in a natural setting. It is a beautiful day at the park. Questions and answers practice. What is the girl on the path doing?
She is riding a bicycle.
How many children are on the slide?
One girl is sliding, and 2 boys are waiting.
Who is feeding the birds?
A woman wearing a purple shirt is feeding the birds.
What is the boy on the swing doing?
He is swinging and smiling.
What is flying in the sky?
A kite and a bird are flying in the sky.
What is the boy with the red helmet doing?
He is riding a bicycle.
Are there flowers in the park?
Yes, there are many colorful flowers in the park.
What is the dog doing near the girl with the kite?
The dog is jumping happily.
How is the weather in the picture?
The weather is sunny and pleasant.
Subscribe to the channel for more videos.